up, so he's going to attack again. Very big pike. Hallelujah. I have some nice dish for you. I have a nice dish for you, pike. Oh, you never know where he's right now. But I think he's just nearby. Are you ready, guys? It's going to be a spectacular fight. Follow him. I'm supposed to hit him. Yep, yes, is it? It's big pike. Yes, yes, I told you. Get ready. Oh, my monster pike. Jesus Christ. What a monster pike. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. When you get, you get. Someone is calling me. Jesus Christ. Look at that beautiful size. Jesus Christ. It's tired. That's good. Oh my God. What a crazy fish. What a crazy size. He's here. This day, a year ago was nice fish, and now he's even bigger. Oh mama. It's not going to be easy to take it. He's here. Oh my God. Acting like a salmon. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Oh, what a size! Oh my God! Oh my God! Such a beautiful. Forza! What a fish!